Hi and welcome back. I'm Frank, the low carb cocktail guy. I put a poll out, you answered, and here it is, Crème de Banana Keto-Fied. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how I made a crème de banana. It's more than a half a gram of carbs per ounce, little less than, it's like 0.62 grams of carbs. An ounce, just barely over half a gram of carbs per ounce of this really yummy banana liqueur. And we're gonna show you how we made that today. So the first thing you're gonna need is a big jar to put everything in. The next thing you're gonna need, some bananas. After that, a little bit of rum. And this is the first step of it. First thing you wanna do is cut your bananas. So I found out this is how they do them at Baskin Robbins when they do an ice cream sundae. That's where I met my wife, Baskin Robbins. So we're gonna cut your banana into slices and throw them on a bar, just like the ice. You know, we don't have the ice, so we may as well throw something on the bar. Cut your banana into slices, put them in your jar. Okay, so after you got all your bananas peeled and dropped in and cut up in there, we're gonna add 2 cups of rum. I'm using Bacardi for a very specific reason. Bacardi does not add a lot of flavor other than a touch of sweetness, and I really want the banana to be the most predominant flavor. If I use something like a little darker Jamaican rum that has some banana notes in it, I'm gonna, bring other flavors in it. That's really not what I'm looking for. I'm looking just for a pure, clean banana taste. So we're gonna do 2 cups of Bacardi. Like I said, if you wanted to use a different rum that had more flavors, go right ahead, but I didn't want those flavors to be battling against the banana. And that's it for step 1. You set that aside, cool, dark place for 3 days. I tested my sugar level after 3 days. I tested again after 6 days. My sugar level was still the same. And the flavor hadn't changed. So 3 days, you're basically done. And after 3 days, you should have something that looks like this. This is yummy. So the next step is just to strain out the bananas. Fine mesh strainer. I ran it through mine 3 times just to get any last little bits and particles out. You can use a paper towel, cheesecloth, coffee filter, whatever floats your boat. It doesn't matter. Just get all the big banana pieces out and any little banana floaties out. If you like the banana floaties in there, good for you, do that. After we strain this out, we need to now change the ABV from the 40% of the infused banana rum to more of a liqueur, which is we're going for 26% ABV, the same as Tempest Fugit's Crème de Banana. So what I did was I made a rich, simple syrup. I took 2 cups of, as you know, RXSugar. There is a link below to get a discount on it. And if you tried it in the past if you tried it in the past and you had some problems with the code, there was a shipping thing mixed in there. But that's been taken care of. So you get 20% off of your purchase at RXSugar. So took my RXSugar, 2 cups of RXSugar, 1 cup of water, made a rich, simple syrup. And that's what rich, simple syrup is. 2 parts sugar to 1 part water instead of the 1-to-1. So I took my simple syrup and I added it back to the banana infused rum. And it was okay, but the banana flavor wasn't quite where I was. And I really didn't want to keep adding more bananas and keep raising the sugar content. So I cheated a little bit. I used some banana extract. But in 3 cups of liquid, I only added 1/8 of a teaspoon of banana extract. So it wasn't a lot. And it was just the right amount to where it really didn't taste like an artificial banana candy too much. But the real banana fruit flavor kind of really was there. It just kind of bumped up. It just tweaked it just a little bit that it needed to get that full-on mouthful of banana feel. And once you get all that done, you just bottle it in a nice little pretty bottle and you're done. And then you can make banana daiquiris. As a matter of fact, that video is probably coming up soon. So guys, that's it for me. And this is how you make a keto-friendly banana liqueur, crème de banana. And every time you see crème de this and crème de that, crème de mint, crème de cassis, that's just how the French said make a liqueur. They just say crème de. And then they then they did that. Then, yeah. So it's a banana liqueur, or if you want to be fancy and go with the French way, it's crème de banana. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, because banana daiquiri is coming up soon. I'm going to have a great day, too. See you later.